This patient, let's call her Lady Crane. We begin with the right ear. Immediately you can see that this isn't a straightforward case. There's cotton wool, a long dark hair, possibly synthetic, all woven through a dense wax blockage. What this ear doesn't have is a lot of oiling, so here I've over-oiled on purpose. Great for this type of blockage because it really seeps into it and helps persuade it to release. And the suction begins. First, the cotton fibres begin to lift. They've almost matted flat against the skin, and here they peel away beautifully. And very slowly, together with the long hair, they disappear into the probe. Superb. Back in now for the main wax blockage. A side piece begins to peel away from the ear canal wall. And that thick, dark, synthetic fibre or hair, whichever one it is, also comes away with it. Back in, and slight chopsticking going on here, but I managed to stabilise everything. The suction probe attaches to the surface of the blockage and lots of rigorous wiggling, and suddenly you have the surrounding transparent layer of keratin slide around and over the blockage and be pulled out towards the suction probe. And because it's all connected, as this happens, the whole blockage comes away. A pause here. If you love satisfying ear extractions like this, make sure you're subscribed to Wax Off so you don't miss the next one. I love these plug reveals. I can't tell you how happy they make me feel, and it never gets old for me. And here we have reams of keratin all folded on top of each other. Didn't come out of the ear on their own due to hearing aid usage. I've given this blockage some extra time because it is so interesting to see. Lots of different shots here. And to finish it off, we have some residue suctioning here, which pulls up some more of those cotton wool fibres which were lying flat on the ear canal. And here's a final shot of that right eardrum, a quick, easy and rather non-difficult removal. Just what I like to see. Now we're over to the left side, which is very different from the right. I have a soft sealed blockage on the left side here, which seems to have had a lot of pre-oiling done to it. Straight in with a standard Zollner, the probe attaches to the surface and begins to mobilise the plug. It's not soft enough to be drawn straight into the tube. Ideally, I want this intact because that's the easiest way that it will come out. And it begins to emerge. but partially unravels in the canal entrance. And this was what has come away on the end of the tube. The remainder is still seated in the ear canal. Here's the remaining portion tethered deeper in the canal. You can see just how long that strip of keratin is. Now this is at least 10 millimeters of keratin ream here. I secure another long strip from beneath the slightly collapsing ear canal wall, and that releases cleanly as well. Interestingly, I don't ever actually recommend using cotton wool after oiling the ears, so I don't often see this in my patients' ears. I think this may have been something that was recommended by doctors many years ago and has been carried on by some patients. For my patients, I recommend that they overfill the ear with oil while laying on their side, massaging the tragus and the outer ear for about 5 minutes, and then tipping the opposite way to empty the oil out of the canal, and finally simply wiping with a soft tissue. Here I've oiled, which helps that wax stick together. As I'm suctioning, you can really see the fibres of the cotton wool rising up from the ear canal. These fibres are actually causing the peripheral wax to stick to them and come off much more easily. A slight amount of translucent skin coming off here. Now for some final tidying up. You can see I'm trying to get the tip of the suction tube under the collapsed wall, so there is nothing substantial left hiding behind there, as it's likely to build up much more quicker if I leave that area. So I'm allowing the suction tip to just kiss the surface of the ear canal skin to allow any residues to be suctioned up. And here is the final shot of the left eardrum, nice and clear and wax blockage removed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying both the narrated and the pure ASMR sound versions of these videos. The sound-only editions are released every Wednesday, and the narrated versions are here to stay. Please keep liking, subscribing and sharing my videos, and I will see you in the next one.